Germany, with its rich history, vibrant culture and thriving economy, beckons to professionals worldwide. Whether you're an experienced engineer, a creative artist, or a skilled IT specialist, Germany offers a wealth of opportunities to advance your career and embrace a new way of life. But before you pack your bags and book your flight, there's an important step you need to take: securing a German work visa. This guide will provide a clear and concise roadmap to help you navigate the process. Let's embark on this exciting journey together. Many people dream of living and working in Germany. It's a country known for its stability, efficiency, and high standard of living. Obtaining a German work visa might seem like a daunting task, but it doesn't have to be. With the right information and preparation, you can increase your chances of a successful application. So are you ready to turn your German dream into a reality? Let's dive in. Before we delve into the specifics, let's clarify what a German work visa is and the different types available. A German work visa is a legal document that allows non-EU/EEA citizens to live and work in Germany for a specific period. There are various types of work visas, each tailored to different professions and circumstances. These include the EU Blue Card, the ICT card, the Researcher visa, and the Employment visa. For the purpose of this guide, we'll focus on the Employment visa, as it's the most common type for general employment. This visa is typically issued for a specific job and employer, and its duration depends on the length of your employment contract. To make the process smoother, it's essential to determine which visa category best suits your situation. Now that you have a better understanding of the German work visa landscape, let's move on to the eligibility requirements you need to meet. Not everyone is eligible for a German work visa. To be considered, you must meet specific requirements set by the German authorities. These requirements ensure that you can support yourself financially, have the necessary skills and qualifications for the job, and won't pose a threat to public safety or security. While the specific criteria may vary depending on your nationality and the type of work visa you're applying for, some general requirements apply to all applicants. First and foremost, you'll need a valid passport with at least 6 months of validity remaining beyond your intended stay in Germany. You'll also need to provide proof of accommodation in Germany, which could be a rental contract, a hotel booking confirmation, or a letter from a friend or family member confirming you have a place to stay. In addition to these basic requirements, you'll need to demonstrate your financial stability by providing bank statements or other financial documents that prove you can support yourself during your time in Germany. The cornerstone of your German work visa application is a valid job offer from a German company. This document serves as proof that you have a legitimate reason to be in Germany and that your employment will contribute to the German economy. Finding a job in Germany from abroad can be challenging but not impossible. Start by researching companies in your field that have a presence in Germany and explore online job boards that cater to international job seekers. When applying for jobs, tailor your resume and cover letter to the German market, highlighting your skills and experience that align with the specific job requirements. Networking is also crucial, so reach out to people in your field who might have connections in Germany. Once you secure a job offer, ensure it's in writing and includes details such as your job title, salary, working hours, and contract duration. This document is essential for your visa application, so keep it safe and make copies. Section 5. Gathering your essential documents. Once you have a job offer in hand, it's time to gather the necessary documents for your visa application. The specific documents required may vary depending on your nationality and the type of work you'll be doing, so it's crucial to consult the website of your local German embassy or consulate for the most up-to-date checklist. However, some standard documents are typically required from all applicants. These documents include your completed visa application form, your valid passport, passport-style photographs that meet the German visa photo requirements, proof of health insurance that covers you during your stay in Germany, and your original employment contract or job offer from your German employer. You'll also need to provide your educational and professional qualifications, such as diplomas, transcripts and work certificates. Translating these documents into German by a certified translator is often required. Section 6. Navigating the application process. With your documents meticulously compiled, it's time to submit your visa application. The application process typically involves scheduling an appointment at the German embassy or consulate in your home country. You can usually do this online or by phone, but be prepared for potentially long waiting times, especially during peak seasons. On the day of your appointment, arrive at the embassy or consulate well in advance, bringing all your original documents and their copies. Be prepared to answer questions about your purpose of travel, your employment in Germany, and your ties to your home country. The embassy or consulate staff will review your application and documents, and they may ask you additional questions to verify the information you've provided. Section 7. The visa application fee. Applying for a German work visa involves a fee that you'll need to pay when you submit your application. The fee amount can vary depending on your nationality and the type of visa you're applying for. It's essential to check the website of your local German embassy or consulate for the most up-to-date fee information and the accepted payment methods. The visa fee is non-refundable, even if your application is denied. Keep in mind that there might be additional fees for services such as document translations, courier services, or biometric data collection. Ensure you factor these potential costs into your budget when planning your move to Germany. Section 8. Acing your visa interview. In some cases, you may be required to attend a visa interview as part of the application process. The interview is an opportunity for the German authorities to assess your intentions for moving to Germany, your understanding of the job market, and your overall suitability for a German work visa. While the interview can seem intimidating, proper preparation can significantly increase your chances of a successful outcome. Before your interview, review your application thoroughly, familiarizing yourself with the details you provided. Practice answering common visa interview questions, such as why you chose Germany, what your career goals are, and how you plan to support yourself financially. It's also crucial to dress professionally and arrive on time for your interview. Maintain a positive and respectful demeanor throughout the interview, answering all questions honestly and to the best of your ability. Section 9. The waiting game, visa processing time. After submitting your application and completing the interview, if required, the waiting game begins. Visa processing times can vary depending on several factors, including your nationality, the type of visa you've applied for, and the workload at the German embassy or consulate. Typically, it can take several weeks or even a few months to receive a decision on your visa application. You can track the status of your application online through the website of the German embassy or consulate where you submitted your application. During the waiting period, avoid making any non-refundable travel arrangements to Germany until you receive your visa. Section 10. Welcome to Germany. Congratulations. If your visa application is approved, you'll receive your German work visa, allowing you to enter Germany and start your new adventure. Upon arrival in Germany, you're required to register your address with the local residence registration office, or Einwohnermeldeamt, within 2 weeks of arriving. Once you've registered your address, you'll need to apply for a residence permit, or Aufenthaltstitel, at the local foreigners office, known as Ausländerbehörde. This permit serves as your official identification document while living and working in Germany. The residence permit typically has the same validity as your work visa, and you'll need to renew it before it expires if you wish to stay in Germany longer. Section 11. Conclusion. Embark on your German journey. Obtaining a German work visa is a significant accomplishment that opens doors to incredible opportunities. By following the steps outlined in this guide and approaching the process with patience and diligence, you'll be well on your way to achieving your dream of living and working in Germany. Embrace the challenges, celebrate the victories, and enjoy the journey as you embark on this exciting new chapter of your life. Remember, the information provided in this guide is intended for general guidance only. Always consult the official website of your local German embassy or consulate for the most up-to-date information and specific requirements for your situation. Best of luck with your application and welcome to Germany.